Hey YouTube, it's me again. Has anyone ever tried this? It is the Octane Booster, the Race Pro. I do this about every third or fourth tank. Um, I know my car really doesn't need this. There's one. It smells just like, I don't know, it's kind of a weird kind of fragrance. But, I mean, I doubt you should be really smelling this, but not only do I put, when I do this, I fill it up with 93 octane just to clear everything out. That's two. It says it treats up to 21 gallons, basically, so I double it. See, premium gas. And I've never had a problem. You know. But yeah, I mean, I say every third, maybe every fifth tank I do this. I think it helps clean out the engine. You see a little bit of boost in performance. One day I did the thing I usually did. See, on my 94, I put 3 gallons of race fuel in here, which was like $8-9 a gallon. Hey guys, hold on. Crap on that. Look at this little guy. Isn't he cool? He's just chilling out here on the gas pump. Well, anyways, yeah, back to what I was saying. Yeah, do 2 things of concentrated, what's this stuff called? Concentrated octane booster. Then I do, I think it's gonna be 15-20 gallons of 91. We don't have 93 here, but I mean, I believe it cleans my engine out. I've got 150,000 miles on this thing, and it's never let me down. Anyways, guys, until next time, I'll talk to you later.